Welcome to the future of agent-first development. Less than a year ago, the Google Antigravity IDE changed the game for creators everywhere. But today, a bold next step arrives with Antigravity 2.0. The platform has moved entirely out of the IDE to bring a powerful standalone desktop application designed from the ground up to orchestrate autonomous AI agents. Driven by the latest leaps in Gemini models, getting started is seamless. Signing in requires just a Google account, followed by picking a preferred theme, keeping it bright in light mode today, and initializing the environment. On the Build with Google page, users can instantly equip agents with advanced skills and plugins like Chrome DevTools or Modern Web Guidance to help navigate the web. For those transitioning from the legacy IDE, a single checkbox carries over the configuration to allow a straight dive into the action. Everything in this new ecosystem centers around projects, where local folders and Git repositories serve as the ultimate launchpad for the workspace. Today, the focus is on building a brand new web game called Street Guesser, where players try to name every street inside a custom map bounding box. Instead of typing out a massive prompt, voice input takes over. Click the mic, state the concept, request a cost-effective setup, and watch as Gemini 3.5 Flash rapidly puts together a comprehensive implementation plan, complete with an interactive architecture diagram. If open questions arise or a pivot is needed, typing a response is unnecessary. Leaving feedback is as simple as commenting directly onto the text artifact. Once Proceed is clicked, Antigravity keeps users firmly in control by prompting to accept, reject, or whitelist specific terminal commands, giving complete safety over sandboxing and network permissions. With permissions granted, the first functional version of the game is running on localhost 3000 in seconds, but this is where Antigravity 2.0 truly starts to shine. By introducing parallel conversations and new work trees, the platform spins up a mirrored copy of the project folder, so agents can run sophisticated tasks simultaneously without disrupting the main flow. While one agent works independently on a combo street confetti animation, a second agent can use built-in image generation to design custom achievement trophies matching the app's aesthetic, and a third agent can synchronously update the homepage with regional location presets.
Now, the boundaries can be pushed with a much more complex full-stack upgrade, adding a SQLite backend to track high scores and progress over time. Because this refactor touches both the front-end and back-end, the main agent does something incredible. It automatically recruits and manages its own team of specialized sub-agents. In the overview pane, users can watch the system delegate tasks to a dedicated database engineer, a UI/UX designer, and a QA tester. When a sub-agent needs permission to run a command or access a route, a one-click action button allows instant approval and unblocking, making this the perfect time to grab a coffee or a snack while the autonomous team handles the heavy lifting. Upon returning, users will find the agents have already finished the work and use the native browser tool to verify and test the application end-to-end. To show off just how intelligent these teams are, they can even be commanded to play the game they just built. Watch as the agent uses web search to research every street on Treasure Island. When the inputs initially fail to register, it doesn't get stuck. Instead, it evaluates its own internal thought traces, deduces that it forgot to simulate pressing the Enter key after typing each name, corrects its logic on the fly, and secures a perfect 100% Grandmaster high score. To tie it all together, Scheduled Tasks makes its debut, a brand new feature that lets prompts run on a continuous loop. If a randomized, historically relevant map challenge is needed every single morning at 5 a.m. Mountain Time, it can be scripted right into the dashboard. Crucially, the application window can be completely closed because Antigravity 2.0 continues to operate quietly behind the scenes. As long as that little icon is visible in the system tray or menu bar, users can have total confidence knowing custom agent hierarchies, code deployments, and automated routines are working hard in the background. Parallel work trees, sub-agent hierarchies, automated playtesting, and persistent scheduled tasks, that is the first look at Antigravity 2.0, an exceptional tool built for the next generation of development.